All right, my beautiful friends, here we are. Fed Day, and I mean Fed Day. It seems like no one can stop talking about this. It's insane. And a lot of it has to do with the tweeter-in-chief who won't stop with his nonsensical rhetoric with regard to the Fed, practically getting on his hands and knees begging for the Fed not to raise rates. The man, I think, has gone insane. And he's making himself look really stupid before the world. No president should be on his knees before their central bank, although we understand who the real boss is. But this is just frankly, embarrassing, truthfully. So, as I am doing this video blog, again, on this lovely Fed Wednesday, stocks are higher across the board. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up about 155 points last I looked. There's a huge amount of cash moving into the bond market. 10-year yield is coming down. The entire curve is flattening out. It's kind of interesting to watch, you must admit, honestly. Cryptocurrencies are catching a big bid. Gold and silver are higher. The dollar is lower. So these are the dynamics going on right now. Also, I found this out today, and I honestly was not aware of this. Stock buybacks, companies buying back shares of their own stock, have now hit an all-time record high. To me, that looks like financial engineering. How about you? I don't know, whatever. It's just too much. This whole thing, presidents on their knees begging central banks not to raise rates, keeping easy money flowing into the markets despite what these institutions are doing themselves, buying back shares of their own stock with this easy money. I mean, you can see it. You can see it, right? A lot of people can't, but I know you can. Kind of interesting. So look, later today is going to be epic. I still stand by my take that the Fed is going to raise rates today. We're talking about, it's almost a laughable thing, and why it's embarrassing, why the president is begging on his knees for the Fed not to raise rates and keep the easy money flowing. We're talking about 0.25% to the federal funds rate. It's almost like a gesture, like it's not really happening, but it is. It's an incredible thing. I believe we're going to get that hike today, and then we're going to get a lot of dovish talk. The Federal Reserve is going to word this in a very careful way. They're probably going over the speech right now. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be interesting to see how the tweeter-in-chief responds to this. Wow, what a day. I told you it was going to be a day and a half yesterday. I will see all of you later. It's going to be awesome.